Okay, so let's connect with the stick, right? So that's a real piece of wood. Think about it as helping you to connect to yourself and grounding back down. So just taking a couple nice little breaths here. We're just going to do 3 things here. First thing is a front to back. Think of applying a tension into the stick, the hand that you're holding on to as we do this, just a single arm move of inhaling as you lift, exhaling as you come back down. And you're just trying to not move the stick a lot. We're going to take that same stick holding, we're just taking that a nice good side stretch, lifting up the heel, inhaling as you reach away from the body. So the stick is not flopping all around. You're aware of holding on to the stick with some tension here. And then this is going to be an opening up and through the side here. So nice good opening up rib cage, chest. Inhaling as you lift and open, exhaling as you return, still applying that pressure into the stick. You want to think of having some additional grip strength that you're working on here. And then as we switch sides, we're going to do different 3 things in a different order, but reconnect with that stick again. Then we're going to take that arm, we're going to take it up. So inhaling up, exhaling down. So now these are ideas, right? So life is not even, be odd, right? You don't have to do the same thing on all the sides, but still employing that principle of inhaling and exhaling back. Then we're going to go across, right? So this is a side stretch. Getting those hips. Your hips should not be staying still when you do this. Move the hips. It's where it's coming from. Again, stabilizing that stick, right? And then we're going to do the opening up one here. So opening up as you inhale, exhaling as you close. Feel that wood in your hands. Feel you as a human being, living, beating heart, electromagnetic energy inside of you. All right, so take the stick with 2 hands, getting into a shoulder width stance. Just going to show you from the side here. Feel how the connection is different here. Bend your knees. Good flat back, and as you inhale, lift up, do a little bit of a lean back here. Gets a good opening up in through the hips, the chest. Think of the belly button as having a big shining light, straight forward. So that inhale, tuck the chin in a little bit just to keep that head in check. Nice good little stretching. Okay, so think of water wheel, right? So water wheel, we're going one direction here, bending the knees, having this little kind of undulation feeling in through that movement going forward. Finding your rhythm, and then going the other way. Again, I'll say it again, these are just some ideas that you can do with the stick. Okay, so we're going to take your palms up, take the hands towards the ends of the grips. And then just as you look up, just let the neck relax, just kind of get in your position here. Then we're going to take that stick and you want to just completely turn it to a vertical position. Slow. So as you inhale, you're going to take one end and just making it vertical, right? So you are the movement. You are not just moving a stick around. You are the movement, applying that little bit of tension. Feel that arm that's reaching up towards the ceiling, that it's got a good reach. Feel how your feet accommodate that movement, right? You're shifting that balance. And then this is just nice, easy little twisting here. I'm not even moving my body. So feeling just that gentle power in your arms. Feel how your hands feel on the stick, right? All of this sensory information coming in. We're going to take that stick behind you. So because it's so big, you have a good width to put it behind you. Split your stance. So initially, we're just going back and forth. You're lifting up your toes. You're lifting up your heel, opening up your chest, right? So we have some nice, good open arms as we rock back and forth. We're going to rotate, reaching the stick down in front of you, coming up and coming back. So the rotation is happening in through the trunk. Because of the spread of the arms, we're getting a stretch. The feet are staying. You're accommodating this by bending your knees and having that real good flat back. Okay, so we're going to split the stance the other way. We're going to do the same exact thing. So just kind of getting the feet prepped. Coming off the heel, coming off the toes, opening up through the chest, being mindful of your chest, rib cage being open. Land yourself down. We're going to point that stick. You're going in front of you, bending your knees, and then coming back. Just slow, mindful, feeling that connection of that tool in your hands that's just helping you to connect with just different movement, right? It's just opening up your mind to different movement, what I call minding your movement. Very good. All right, that is it.